The clearest way into the universe is through forest wilderness. Isn't this picture of forest seems to be very appealing and lovely? This is Aranya Forest situated in Tamil Nadu. If I tell you this forest wasn't a forest before 30 years, it was just a barren land, it seems to be imaginary, but it's real. Hello everyone, I'm Sneha Duri and today I will share some success stories regarding sustainable development. A Tamil Nadu man turned 100 acres of barren land into an indigenous forest. Yes, D. Saravanan dedicated 30 years of his life, sweet and dreams to what we call Aranya Forest and Century. If you have travelled a few years ago past the 100 acres land in Shularji, you would have found nothing but a barren patch that had long lost its fertility owing to overuse of chemicals. But today, this land is a paradise that's home to 40,000 trees of 250 different species, as well as a variety of birds and other biodiversity. Today, the fertile land has no traces of chemicals and is instead evolving into a communist forest that is self-sufficient to meet its basic needs. This is a result of his hard work, sheer determination, and his scientific approach. Now let me tell you another example. Have you ever noticed the temperature in summer is rising year by year? Do you know what is the main change which has occurred and has resulted in this high temperature? There are many reasons. Yes, global warming, deforestation, industrial pollution, and vehicle pollution are the main causes. Other main problem is architecture. You may have noticed the houses made in surrounding, they're made up of concrete and even they may look good, but you should think that in the name of development we are adopting imported techniques and forgetting our Indian Vastu Shastra. We are making our homes of concrete. Concrete absorbs heat, so we use air conditioner. But these air conditioner expels heat outside. This loop so continues. In the extraction and manufacturing of cement, it emits CO2 gas in a large amount. But it's also true. Because of less land in urban areas, modern infrastructure is suitable. These techniques can't be fully replaced, but we can bring small changes, getting inspired by ancient architecture. Like we can have a long corridor running through the length of the house or open space in the front, back or center of the home. There will be improvement in the ventilation of home. I hope you understand what I want you to understand. So please promote sustainability and keep in mind that we have borrowed this earth from our forefathers and have to pass it to the next. Thank you.